Hello, my favorite audience. It is time yet again to add another piece to the puzzle. But however, this piece is going to be a new piece to the puzzle. However, there is something lingering out there in those lands, exploring nature yet again. Some newer pieces to the puzzle. But however, Gaia decided finally in November to start blooming again. Gaia and Mother Nature is truly changing its seasons. In the unknown location out there in those lands from the narrator's complex.
To get those light on.
So wonderful to explore nature. And just as I were calling it here, I came all the way from those lands. I came all the way from North Pole. Well, not North Pole. I came from North Wales. I came all the way from North Wales to here. Just exploring nature, of course. You can tell by that. Exploring nature again. Wait, what? So I see. Who are you? I am Blitz Striker. Wait, what? So you're Blitz Striker? Yeah. An old friend told me long ago. And I carried on that power. Yeah, his name was Masamune. It was one of our old ancestors long time ago. And then he took the power of a striker and he gave it to me. So now we have Blitz Striker. Well, let's have a battle. A battle, you say? Alright, fine. Is there a battle you want? Then you'll get it. And also, what's your name, actually? Well, I came from the North Wales, actually. I was just visiting. Just exploring nature, I guess. But, you know, I guess it's fine. Well, we'll have a battle. I'm not really the best of voice acting or anything. Or I'm not the best of blading, actually. It's fine. I understand. Alright, fine. Let's battle. Then fine. If there's a battle you want, then let's do it. Alright, fine. Let's do this. Blitz Striker and this driver. I forgot what the name is. My Bayes Montor, aka Nature. Zero reboot. Now let's do this thing. Fine. But I'm gonna win. I don't really normally know how to Beyblade, but I do know how to blade. I'm not really a competitive blader, but I do know how to blade. Then let's see what you got. nature. Yeah, so-called nature. Yeah. Let's see what you can do. Yeah. I'll win with my attack. Wait, what? Yeah. Go, nature! Do it now! Wait, what? I know you're not the best of blading, but I took that point. What? I go down? I go down? I know it's cold, and I know Gaia changed its seasons. But let's see how much of a fight you can give. Oh, it's so cold out here. This is crazy. 1 minute it was so warm, and the next thing you know, it's so cold. I know it's cold, but you gotta resist it. Fine. You have to resist the cold. It's so cold. But I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up, no matter what. Wait, what? No! Nature, no! It looks like I take the point. No! Nature, no! I know you're not the best of blading, but that was a fun battle. No! Nature, no! But on the bright side, that was a fun battle. Even though that you're a girl, you still do have some tricks up your sleeves, and I like that. And I know you don't normally pay Beyblades or bays, but I would say you did put up an amazing fight. Know that you lost, you still did an amazing job for your size. Thanks for saying that. I appreciate this. Yeah, no doubt about it. You did well. Thanks, bro. Yeah. Well, I guess I'll be off exploring nature. Yeah. Thanks for the battle. Yeah, anytime. Yeah. And just note, if we battle again, I'll be stronger. Yeah. I like that confidence. Well, I guess it's both of us time to train, I guess, and explore nature. Yeah, no doubt about it. Phew. Take you right there.